Hey, our names are Leah and Jessica. We bought a converted van and have been traveling around the country for the last 6 months. Come with us this week as we explore some small towns and see a lot of my family.
Oh, you do better in impression, huh?
I missed it.
What are you doing?
I keep messing up on the first mister.
You're not supposed to play on the first.
I know!
Shopping to play at this park because Leah really wants to. And they have a lot of mulch, so this will be fun. We have my cousin's wedding today, so we're very excited. On the forehead. We're very excited to hang out with family and party!
Yeah.
Yes!
So we had our cousin's wedding yesterday, and now we're headed to my other cousin's graduation parties from college and high school. So we're driving behind my family, and it's gonna be another riot. My whole family is squished in that car, 5 people. And Leah and I have this whole space for ourselves. And my brother, bless his heart, he's like 8 foot and he's stuck in there.
We're going on the shortest walk we've ever been on in our life, but it's taking so long because of Crystal. She stops every second to rest. Cheers.
Join us next time on Van Jams with Leah and Jessica.